Katie.Pix! Oh, we are back with another delicious recipe. I hope you're excited. I am. I get excited every week. Let's go. Today we are making a delicious hummus recipe. Hummus, I eat it by the potload and I need to probably calm down, but you know what? It's so easy to do. So stop shop buying it and make it yourself. Because this recipe is also dead easy, I'm going to show you a little way to jazz it up so that you can present it at the dinner table and everyone will be like, oh, all right, been to catering school, have we? No, I haven't. So you're going to need a blender. You won't be able to do this by hand. Into this, I'm going to add 2 tins of chickpeas that have been drained. However, please keep hold of some of that liquid because we might need that to help us loosen it down a little bit. 140 mils of olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil you use in foods that you don't necessarily cook with, essentially, because it's got a much nicer taste than olive oil. Save a little bit for drizzling. 2 cloves of garlic that I've just finely sliced. If you've got a crusher, use that. The juice of 1.5 lemons. To that, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of tahini. So tahini is sesame seed. It's got an amazing flavour and it's just going to set your hummus on fire. And we're going to blitz it. I like a smooth hummus. If you like a little bit of bite to yours, don't do it for as long. So one thing I am going to do is give it a little check for thickness. That's the sort of thickness that's going to stick on your carrot stick. So I'm going to get it a little bit smoother. Let's have a little look at that. Oh, it's super, super smooth. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. So when you are happy with the consistency, do have a little check for flavour. Well, that's flipping delicious. Almost said a naughty word. I'm going to pour it into a big, beautiful bowl and we're going to spread it out. Create some little pockets. I've got some pomegranate seeds here, about 40 grams that I've just smacked out of fresh pomegranate, and I'm going to sprinkle those all over the top. Here I've got some chickpeas. So these chickpeas I've literally just taken out of the tin chickpeas, whacked them in a hot pan with a bit of salt and just given them some colour. I've then got some fresh parsley that I'm just going to give a little chop, and we're just going to sprinkle that over for some colour. Lovely. So I've got here some beautifully sweet smoked paprika. Be sensible about this, Catherine. I'm not called Catherine. It's not my name. Dust that over the top for a bit of colour and a bit of added flavour as well. And then that little bit of oil you've got left over, we're just going to drizzle over the top. Just is going to make it gorgeously sumptuous. And there you have it. Can you imagine bringing this out to your table? And then you've got all your crudités and you can literally just wedge those in to the edge. Gorgeous. And there you have it, a spectacular hummus dipping tray. If you just have your friends over for drinks and you just whip that up in 5 minutes, that's no effort at all and it tastes absolutely delicious. And I'm going to take this to my friends. So without ruining presentation, let's just try this bad boy. Why would you buy shopbought? It's so easy, it's so tasty. Can you understand what I'm saying? Thank you so, so much for watching this video. I hope you like what you've seen, and if you do, please subscribe. If you do like what you've seen, please subscribe. I'm here every single Tuesday cooking recipes for you, and I vlog on a Friday, so make sure you get involved. If you want to see the recipe, please make sure you check out Katie.Pix.com, and don't forget to subscribe to the Katie.Pix on all them social media channels. You know the drill. Until next time, thanks everyone. Bye! So easy.